Many ChatGPT-4 experts are sharing the beneficial ways they are using it. On Twitter, I am seeing more and more posts and threads that talk about experts who are using ChatGPT-4 and how if you aren't using it and learning it, you are going to fall behind in the world. Urgency for ChatGPT from experts. I think there is some truth to that statement. However, I'd also think that these experts know that ChatGPT-4 and artificial intelligence are hot topics and people are interested. So they are capitalizing on that by sharing that you must learn how to use it and that they are the expert. It's what anyone would do who wants someone to listen or to persuade them. Share why it is essential and why they have the answer. Google has been giving developers access to its language models, and there is an AI startup called Anthropic that unveiled its AI assistant called Claude. GPT-4. There is another announcement about AI that has come out, and that is the new multimodal large language model, GPT-4. OpenAI ChatGPT is freely accessible to the public, but GPT-4 is currently only accessible to the developers, and it is early days for that technology. It will take a while for that technology to make its way into the products and services each of us use every day. Uses experts recommend for GPT-4 and chatbots. Hustling. People are finding creative uses for chatbots, such as providing medical documentation for provider-patient conversations. These hustlers are pitching that this will help take a load off doctors and remove tedious data entry from their workday. Who knows if a chatbot from 2023 can really do that good of a job taking notes for a doctor that are accurate, but eventually I can see them getting there. Productivity. Employees from big tech companies are using GPT-4 and other chatbots. If you use AI to help with your work, you will be more productive. I actually believe this, as good questions and text input into a chatbot can get you information that would otherwise take much more time to search for. Chatbots can summarize documents, write presentations, or help write templates for resumes, legal documents, or emails. Health care. A chatbot can help with health care. This will help remove tedious work by feeding information to a chatbot. GPT-4 is a much better chatbot than previous versions. It can follow instructions, but it is still unclear how well it will follow instructions in a field like healthcare because complete accuracy matters and can be the difference between life and death. Writing programming code. I have used chatbots like GPT-3.5 to write computer code, and they are really helpful. In short, I don't have to go to Stack Overflow, anymore because a chatbot can give me what I need and refine the code as I ask it more questions. It's pretty incredible. Some people who don't know any programming have been using GPT-4 to write their own software programs. Writing books. You can use a chatbot to help you write a book. In fact, GPT-4 could be a co-writer of your book. I think this is going to disrupt authors unless some laws are made against it or that you must include sources and links from where the chatbot got its information. What else do you think ChatGPT-4 and other chatbots could be used for? Are these experts right, or are they just trained to get followers and money